What's up, family? I have a quick question for you. Did you know you can turn Canva into a whole stream of income?
No, but I'm listening.
I'm talking about real money, like rent money, trip to Tulum money. I just hit add to cart and didn't flinch money. Oh yes, if that sounds good to you, then you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are getting paid with Canva to start a digital hustle. And the best part is these are all free and low cost startup options. Perfect for beginners like you. And yes, I'm even showing you the exact product that earns me over $10,000 using Canva and how you can sell this product too. First, you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money-making content. And the way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new here, drop a comment so I can know and I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into how to make money with Canva, even as a beginner. Let's go. Let's talk about it. Why is everybody and their mama running over to Canva to make money? One, because it's free. And two, because it's powerful. You can create digital products, videos, merch, graphics, whatever you want in the digital products realm, even if you're not creative or if you've never sold anything before. People are building real businesses using just Canva and Wi-Fi. And these days, we all have access to both, so no excuses. But one thing that I really love about Canva is that they have templates to start you off. So even if you are fresh-faced and new to this, you've never tried Canva before, there are templates for pretty much anything that you want to design. So whether it's flyers, business cards, ebooks, they have templates to start you off so you're not having to start from scratch. But let's talk about how people are building these businesses from Canva. Well, first and foremost, digital products. Digital products are the way to go. There's no overhead. You don't have to pay for a warehouse to house them. You don't have to pay to ship them. They are free to deliver to your customers. And some of these products that you can make right there on Canva include planners, ebooks, checklists. Even I have a digital product that I've made over $10,000 from one product. More on that later. Stick with me here, okay? But all you need is one good idea and Canva makes it easy to design and launch it. Now let me share my own win. I created a digital bundle. I put it together with some thought and some love and I started sharing it online, which is called the Mega Content Bundle. And so far it's brought in over $10,000. No ads, no crazy tech, just Canva, consistency, and strategy. And I'll tell you, one of the most popular parts of my bundle are my 8,000 plus short form videos that are in that bundle. And how are my customers accessing this? I deliver the videos right there through Canva. So my customers can access them and they can sell them to their customers through Canva as well. So you know those aesthetic reels and TikToks, those faceless videos with music, quotes, beach vibes, that's the content that you can sell with. These videos that I'm showing right now, these are some of the videos in my bundle that you can use for yourself, for your own social media, or you can actually resell these videos to make a profit yourself. So when I'm telling you that you can make money from these videos, I'm telling you the truth because you're seeing it right here, right now. I actually make money off of these videos and you can subsequently also make money off of these videos if you happen to get them from me. So if you're interested in that, I will link it down below. But let's talk about another way that you can make money using Canva, and that is by selling a service. So that could include freelancing or coaching, even if you want to sell on Fiverr. So you can use Canva to design those thumbnails or images that will go on your sales page, or if you're going to sell your services through Fiverr or Upwork, you will still need a thumbnail image to go with your services. But even if you're one of those people that is not interested in doing coaching services, you can sell other services. I've done it myself. And one way that I've made money doing this is by selling YouTube thumbnails. So I've sold thumbnails on Etsy, I've sold them on Fiverr, and they're really easy to create in Canva, and you just deliver the digital download to your customers. But in addition, if you need more ideas of digital services that you can sell, you can create Pinterest pins, you can create IG stories, you can create logos, business cards. The options are endless. Like, really, go through Canva and look at the templates that they have already done for you to help you get started in making these things. But with that said, you can't just take Canva's templates and then resell them because that's copyright infringement. So to avoid that, you can use Canva's templates as a starting point, but create your own designs. Change the fonts, change the colors, change the little elements within there. If it's a rectangle, change it to a banner, that kind of thing. And if you don't know how to price your services for coaching, start at like $50 and then you can go up from there if you start getting clients. But if you are going to sell other services, such as the YouTube thumbnails that I mentioned, look to see what other creators are selling theirs for and then slightly undercut them. Oh yes, we play dirty over here. But let's go back to that $10,000 product I mentioned, okay? My bundle is full of content, templates, guides, and resale rights. If you don't know what resale rights are, baby, you are missing out on a lot, because this is a product that you can buy and you have the rights to resell it. As affordable as it is, less than the price of a pair of shoes from, I almost said Payless, but Payless doesn't exist anymore. Less than the price of a pair of shoes from Kohl's, okay? You can literally get this entire bundle that can make you thousands upon thousands of dollars. How do I know? Because I did it myself. One thing to keep in mind is if you don't want to sell my mega content bundle, or I also have one based on Pinterest, the Pinterest Profit Pack, even if you don't want to sell these, you should also use them to help you boost up your brands, okay? So the mega content bundle is more of a general bundle. The Pinterest Profit Pack is for those of you that want to grow specifically on Pinterest. There are a lot of you that have gotten those bundles, and I've gotten many success stories from those bundles, but a lot of you are sleeping on these bundles. My bundles actually have books in them based on Canva. So the bundles will actually teach you how to resell them. Okay, so there's no excuses. And on top of it, as a bonus, I give you a free exclusive class and lifetime access to my future exclusive classes to help you sell these bundles. Again, no excuses. Nikki has y'all back. Y'all just gotta listen, okay? Click the link down in the description, grab the mega content bundle, or if you're trying to grow on Pinterest, grab the Pinterest Profit Pack. And if you grab both, actually, you unlock a special deal. But yeah, let's start posting. Let's start selling. Let's start seeing results, because done is better than perfect. No time is ever going to be a better time than now to get started. So stop talking yourself out of things. Stop being your own op and get to it, okay? But I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that uses Canva already? Do you use Canva to make money? Also, should I do a follow-up video about Canva's AI? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know that you like money-making content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Hopefully you already did that before I asked you to do it. But either way, if you want to dive deeper into this money-making content strategy on Canva, then I suggest you check out this video next. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and